Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jonathan. I used to do web development as a freelancer, but now I'm starting to shift. I'm starting to shift path. I got tired and bored of web development. I don't know, I just feel like I need a challenge. And here I am. This is my 5th video on learning C. Okay? And let's jump right into it. For some context, I am following this book called A Modern Approach to C by Kay and King. Okay, and they have programming projects on here, and it's really good because they have a bunch of projects, right? And you get to practice what you're learning. It's not like other books. These programming projects so far have been a little bit challenging, right? I have like 5-6 years of programming experience, JavaScript, right? I'm not that great, but some of these programs are a little bit easy, right? And for my IDE environment or my text editor, I'm using Vim, okay? And I am using the Ghosty terminal just in case you guys are curious. So I don't know, because I've seen some comments, people asking. Oh, I saw one comment asking what do you call it, theme I was using. So yeah, I am using the Ghosty terminal, and I forgot what theme on the Ghosty terminal, but that terminal is really good. I suggest you guys go and download it and try it out. Anyways, too much talking already. So right now we are in programming project number 8. Okay. Programming project number 8. Okay, so write a program that calculates the remaining balance on a loan after the first, second, and third monthly payments. All right, so write a program that calculates the remaining balance on a loan after the first, second, and third monthly payments. Okay, remaining balance. All right, so they have this example right here. Enter amount of loan to 20,000. Enter interest rate 6.0. So I'm already seeing that we're gonna be using floats, right? Floats, or what do you call it? Doubles? No, floats. Enter monthly payment 386.66. And then the output is balance remaining after first payment 19k whatever 0.34. Okay, balance remaining after second payment and balance remaining after third payment. Display each balance with 2 digits after the decimal point. Hint: each month the balance is okay, so here goes the hint. Each month the balance is decreased by the amount of the payment, but increased by the balance times the monthly interest rate. To find the monthly interest rate, convert the interest rate entered by the user to a percentage and divide it by 12. Okay, that's it. That was a mouthful. So we got 3 things that we need: a loan, the amount of loan, the interest rate, and the monthly payment. So 3 things: amount of loan, interest rate, and monthly payment. Okay, and then to find the monthly interest rate, we have to convert it to a percentage. So divided by 100 and then divided by 12, because I'm guessing there's like 12 months in the year, correct? Yeah. All right, so let's get cooking. All right. Okay. All right, let's do this. Terminal. All right, ls. So exercise 8. Vim x8.c. Okay. All right, so we start. Let's begin. All right. Every time I do this, I don't know why, I just get excited. I get a little bit nervous also. Include. Oh yeah, and last time I saw this comment in one of my videos where some person told me that I look like a web dev, and to stick with my scripting language. I don't know what he meant by that. I don't know if looking like a web dev is a bad or good thing. I don't know. I don't know if that's supposed to be a compliment, because usually people tell me that with this hat I look like a lemon picker or strawberry picker. But thanks. Int main void. All right, so we got that. So we needed three things: the loan amount, the interest rate, and the monthly payments. So those are gonna be wait. Okay. So all right, so write a program that calculates the remaining balance on a loan after the first, second, and third monthly payments. Okay. Display each balance with 2 digits after. Okay, each month the balance is decreased by the amount. Each month, right, the balance is decreased. Each month the balance is decreased by the amount of the payment, but increased by the balance times the monthly interest rate. So we need a monthly interest rate and balance. So loan amount. Okay, got it. The loan amount, the annual interest rate, and monthly payments. So the interest rate they're input is for the annual, right? Annual, 12 months. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So float. Loan amount. Okay. Loan amount. Man, I forget so easily. Man, I have a memory of a goldfish. Yeah, annual interest rate. Annual interest rate. And then our monthly payments. Monthly payments. All right, so float, loan amount, annual interest. Bro, what can I spell interest? What do I spell it like this? Why did I spell it like the interest? Is that how you spell it? Interest. Yeah, interest. There you go. Interest rate. Monthly payments. Okay, now we need to keep up with the balance. What our balance is gonna be. So flow the monthly. Now, so first we have the annual interest rate, and now we have the monthly interest rate and balance. Okay. All right. So now we have to ask our user, like in the example we had right here, right? We got to ask our user for their loan amount, their interest rate, and the monthly payment. Okay. So printf enter loan amount. Okay. New line, space, and then scanf, and it's gonna be a float, right? And loan amount. Okay, for those who have not been keeping up, right? I'm being really repetitive, but some of you, it's your first time watching the video, correct? So on scanf, apparently we always need this address symbol right here. Okay, I don't know why. Don't ask me why. The book apparently told me they're gonna teach me later on why, but for right now, this is how you do it to take input from the user. Loan amount. Okay, enter loan amount. Okay, now print. Okay. Enter annual interest rate. Alrighty, enter annual interest rate. We got it. Yep. Scanf. It's gonna be a float again. And annually interest rate. Man, these words are pretty long. I should have made them shorter. Okay. Print F. Enter monthly payments. Semicolon. Scanf. Now we're gonna use another float. Oh, you know what? Over here on this one above here, I forgot the little address symbol. And then down here we need monthly payments. Okay, so we got that. We got loan amount on. Okay, let me run this program. I want to detect any bugs early on rather than later on. So I think everything should be good. All right, let's see now. All right, GCC output x8 x8.c. No errors. Okay. Vim x8.c. Okay, now we need to calculate our what's it called, convert our annual interest to monthly interest rate. Yeah, convert our annual interest rate to monthly interest rate. And to do that, right, to get a monthly interest rate, right, we gotta display, okay, to find the monthly interest rate, convert the interest rate entered by the user to a percentage. To convert something to a percentage, we divide it by 12, and then we divide it by, to convert something into a percentage, we divide it by 100, and then to get the monthly rate, we divide it by 12 for the 12 month in a year. Alrighty, class in session, boys. We gotta deal with this. Okay. Let's write a little convert annual interest rate. Why do I always spell interest that way, dude? Interest rate to monthly interest rate. And to do that, we do monthly. You know, the only bugs I'm gonna catch are these words written really bad. Gotta write them the same. I don't know why I chose these words. Equals annual interest rate divided by 100 divided by 12. I think that should work, right? Monthly. Okay, that should work. Yeah, because we're divided by 100. And then, okay, now that's our monthly interest rate. So annual interest rate divided by 100 divided by 12. And now our balance. So our balance, right? We need our balance. Our balance at the beginning is going to be the same as our loan amount. So we set that to loan amount. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yeah, we said it the same. They're gonna be the same. Correct? And then okay, to get our first payment. Okay, here comes the I don't know. Maybe you guys have seen the solution already. I don't know. Maybe you guys know the solution. You guys saw this, read the prompt, and you're like, you know what, John? You're a dumbass. I already solved it. But you know, to each its own. I'm a pretty slow man. My slow process is very slow, slower than average. So I already set balance to loan amount, right? I set it. They start off the same. So no, I have to multiply. Okay, let me read this again. Okay, let's go back to the prompt. Wow, we are recording 16 minutes already. Yeah, 16 minutes. That's bad. Okay. Display each balance with 2 digits after the decimal point. Hint: each month the balance is decreased by the amount of the payment. Decreased by the amount of the payment. So we have to decrease the monthly payments. Each month the balance is decreased, meaning it's lowered by the amount of the payment, but increased. So minus the monthly payments plus balance times the monthly interest rate. So balance times monthly interest rate. Okay, the solution is there. I just have to read it really carefully. So display each balance with 2 digits after the decimal point. Hint: okay. So our hint is each month the balance is decreased. So our balance is going to be decreased by the amount of the payment. Okay, so the amount, so balance equals balance, right? Minus monthly payments times balance times monthly interest rate. Okay, monthly interest rate, but increased by the balance times the monthly interest rate. Okay, I think I got this. Okay, let's go back to our terminal. Okay, so we got balance and set to loan amount because they start off at the same. All right, so balance is balance plus balance. Yeah, because it's okay. Balance times yeah, the monthly interest rate. Yeah, so balance times the monthly interest rate, but increased by the balance times, so balance plus balance times monthly interest rate minus monthly payments. Monthly. Oh man, what did I do wrong? Okay, so balance plus balance times monthly. Again, this is one of the reasons I miss using visual code. Yeah, it fills out the words for you, or your variables for you. I'm doing it the hard way. I don't know why. Why do us men like it the hard way? Minus minus the monthly payments. Correct? So balance. So balance, my new balance is gonna be balance plus balance times monthly interest rate minus monthly payments. Bro, dude. Sorry guys. I hate when this happens. Like I forget to go back to my terminal. That's why I'm looking at this screen over here. I have the screen over here and I have my main programming screen over here. All I have to do to remind myself is to look this way, and there's my screen to know what screen you guys are viewing. But no, me, God man, this is embarrassing. I gotta fix this. I gotta teach myself. All right, so we got it right there. So we set our balance to the loan amount because that's our initial amount, and then for our new balance, so this is gonna be our balance for. All right, okay. Sorry, I'm a little bit mad at myself. I don't know why. Okay. So let's put a little comment over here. This comment is first monthly payment. After first monthly payment. Okay. So now to test this, let's test this right now, okay? I want to catch bugs now and not later, correct? Catch bugs now, not later. So let's do a printf, like console.log, like that guy in the comments said, dude, just stick to your scripting language. He's right though, right? It's correct. JavaScript does suck. All right, balance remaining. What was it again? It was balance remaining after first payment. Okay, balance remaining after first payment. And then we need two decimal points. That's what the prompt said. Okay, let's test this out. I just want to know that I did it correct. Okay. All right, so let's execute. Let's compile our program. I got an error already. Conversion, more conversions and data arguments. Oh yeah, balance. I forgot my balance variable over here. Right? There we go. Okay. Oh man, so these little stuff, right? Little things that just get to you. Okay, what was that loan amount for our example they gave us? It was 20,000. 20,000.0. 20, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 20,000 point. And then enter annual enter interest rate. What did I put annual interest rate? I don't know. Oh yeah, because of the months. 6.0. 6.0. And for our monthly payments, it was 386.66. 386.66. So our balance due is, our balance remaining after first payment is 19,713.34. Yeah, we got the same answer. Yeah, we got the same answer. That's perfect. That means I did something right. Woo! Yeah, I did something right. Okay, I'm happy. I did it right, dude. Yeah, we got the same answer. 19.713.34. 19.713.34. Perfect. All right, let's finish the program now. Oop. Okay. All right, let's finish this now. We got this. We got this, boys and gals. Dude, last time I looked at my what do you call it? At my, when you go on your YouTube account and you see your analytics. Yeah, I went to my analytics to see who was watching me, and dude, it was 100%. I have 100% male audience. So it's a sausage fest right now, boys. Right? We could cuss. We could act misogynist. We could do whatever we want, bro. We could fart. All right. The ladies are welcome. You know, anyone here is welcome. Any gender here is welcome. All right. Everyone's welcome, right? Everyone. Fuck yeah. Everyone's welcome except radicals. I hate radicals. I hate right-winging radicals and left-winging radicals. Okay. So basically, it's gonna be the same thing. We're just gonna repeat the same process, right? We're gonna be like subtracting from our balance. So we just copy and paste. Well, I could copy and paste, but I'd rather just do it by hand. Or should I just copy and paste? Let's do it the hard way. You know what? I'm gonna copy and paste. This is way too much, dude. Way too much. Way too much work. Printf balance remaining after second payment and point to f balance. Don't forget the balance variable. Perfect. Right? Yeah. Yeah. We got it. 1, 2, and 3. Let's just copy and paste now. Oh. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Sorry, I'm just barely right now. I'm learning Vim as I go, as we work here too. Okay, I'm not a pro at Vim, so I might be a little slow. You guys are enjoying. I hope you guys are enjoying my journey. Some random ass dude just recording himself doing it, pretending to be a programmer. Okay. So third, let's change this one to third. All right. Right, quit. Okay. Now, let's hope for the best. Correct. Let's cross our fingers and hope we did something right, because this is gonna suck if it ain't right. Let me see. Okay. No compilers. Oh, beautiful. Enter the loan amount. It was 20,000.00, and the interest rate was 6.0, and monthly payments. The monthly payments were 386.66. We did something right. Balance remaining after first payment, balance remaining after second payment, balance remaining after third payment. It looks correct, right? 19,713.34, same. 19,425.25, correct. 19,935.71, correct. I'm just want to make sure like we're matching numbers, right? Matching the example. But this is beautiful. We did it. Woo! How long did it take me? 30 minutes. You know, that's funny. Like, I don't plan this. Like, I plan to be here as long as I can. Well, not as long as I can. I try to be here like as long as it takes me to solve all these problems. And so far, like one problem could take me up to like 30 minutes to solve, and then sometimes when they're a little bit shorter, two problems takes me also 30 minutes. So far my videos have been consistent with time. 30 minutes is like what I've been recording so far. Right now, obviously, I'm at 31 minutes now. Last video was like 29 minutes or something. But perfect. This is awesome. Enter loan amount 100,450.00. Annual interest rate, let's do like 8.8. Enter monthly payments 467.60. Yeah, beautiful. Dude, I gotta start working now. You're starting to see my double chin. All right, folks. That was it for today. Thank you. And for that dude who said to stick to my scripting language, that really hurt my feelings. That I look like a web dev. I don't know what a web dev looks like. Well, it's better than being called a lemon picker, right? Lemon picker would have been worst. You hurt my feelings, bro. No, I'm just joking. Anyways, folks, that was it for today. And have